Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best rose pink balloons is probably one of the most versatile and eye-catching decorations you can add to any celebration, bringing a touch of elegance and playful charm that instantly elevates the atmosphere and creates a memorable visual impact for your guests, making them a fantastic choice for birthdays, weddings, baby showers, or simply to brighten someone's day with a pop of delightful color and sophisticated flair. Number 5. Soonlyn Rose Gold Balloons Arch Kit. Introducing our stunning Rose Gold Balloon Arch Kit, perfect for any celebration. This comprehensive pack includes everything you need to create a beautiful balloon garland. You'll receive 140 balloons in various sizes and shades of pink, white, and gold. It features metallic gold, pink confetti, pearl rose gold, baby pink, white, and hot pink balloons. Our balloons are thickened for durability and come with 4 essential accessories to help you build a gorgeous balloon arch. Creating a stunning balloon garland is simple, even with no prior experience. Just follow the easy-to-understand instructions provided. This versatile kit is ideal for a wide range of occasions, including baby showers, birthday parties, bridal showers, weddings, and more. Elevate your party atmosphere by incorporating this balloon arch kit into your decorations. It's sure to add a festive and happy vibe. We are committed to providing you with a hassle-free experience. Our team is here to assist you with any issues you may encounter. What we like. This is a comprehensive balloon kit, perfect for creating a grand statement at any event. If you're planning a large party and want a cohesive look with lots of balloons and accessories, this is the one for you. It offers great value and variety for birthdays, showers, and more. What people say. The rose pink balloons are a beautiful shade of pink. They are a good size and easy to inflate. The balloons held their shape well and looked great for the party. Number 4. Pink White Heart Balloons, Rose Gold Collection. Get a set of 12 beautiful heart-shaped balloons in pink, white, and rose gold. They are large enough to make a statement at any celebration. Crafted from high-quality aluminum film, these balloons are non-toxic and durable. They feature automatic sealing to prevent air leaks and are reusable for future events. Inflating them is a breeze with the included straw. You can fill them with air or helium, and they seal themselves automatically once done. These versatile balloons are ideal for birthdays, Valentine's Day, weddings, baby showers, and more. They create a memorable atmosphere and serve as a stunning photo backdrop. Please note that slight color variations may occur. To ensure longevity, avoid overinflating or rubbing them against sharp objects. What we like. These heart-shaped balloons add a touch of romance and elegance to your celebrations. If you're looking for a specific shape to enhance a romantic theme for Valentine's Day, engagements, or weddings, these are an excellent choice. Their quality material ensures they stay inflated. What people say. The balloons are a beautiful rose pink color, perfect for any celebration. They are made of high-quality latex, making them durable and long-lasting. The balloons are easy to inflate and tie, saving time and effort during decoration. Number 3. Rose Gold Pink Heart Balloons. Create a truly romantic and cheerful atmosphere for your special moments. These beautiful heart-shaped decorations are perfect for any celebration, adding a lovely touch to your event. Crafted from premium, thickened latex, these balloons are built to last. They are compatible with both helium and air, resisting breakage to keep your decorations looking flawless all day long. These delightful balloons are ideal for a wide range of events, from Valentine's Day and weddings to birthdays and baby showers. Their charming color and shape instantly enhance the mood, creating a warm and inviting environment. Setting up your decorations is a breeze. Simply inflate them with air or helium, and use the included ribbon for a polished finish. They are easy to assemble and disassemble, making decorating quick and effortless. We prioritize your satisfaction. If you experience any issues, our dedicated customer service team is ready to assist you. We want to ensure your experience with our products is delightful. What we like. For a truly romantic and cheerful atmosphere, these large heart-shaped balloons are ideal. If you want decorations that are both visually striking and durable for events like weddings, anniversaries, or Valentine's Day, these superior quality balloons are a fantastic option. They are designed for long-lasting beauty. What people say. The color is a beautiful rose pink, exactly as pictured. These balloons are a good size and held air well for a party. They were easy to inflate and looked great for a baby shower decoration. Number 2. Pink White Heart Balloons. Introducing our charming set of 12 heart-shaped balloons in delightful pink and rose gold hues. Each balloon measures 18 inches and comes with a ribbon, perfect for creating a festive and loving atmosphere at your special event. Crafted from premium aluminum foil, these balloons feature a shiny metallic finish for a luxurious feel. They are sturdy and designed to stay vibrant and eye-catching throughout your celebration. These balloons are designed for convenience with a self-sealing valve for easy inflation with air or helium. They can even be deflated with a straw for reuse, making them a practical choice. These versatile decorations are perfect for birthdays, baby showers, Valentine's Day, weddings, and anniversaries. Use them to create stunning balloon bouquets or vibrant photo backdrops. To ensure lasting enjoyment, please keep them away from sharp objects, overinflation, direct sunlight, and rough handling. Proper care will keep them looking their best. What we like. These balloons offer a luxurious and festive touch with their shiny metallic finish. If you're aiming for a sophisticated look for your birthday, baby shower, or wedding, and want decorations that are easy to set up and maintain their shape, these are a practical and eye-catching choice. They are perfect for creating stunning balloon bouquets. What people say. The rose pink balloons are a beautiful and vibrant color, perfect for adding a festive touch to any celebration. These balloons are made of durable latex material, ensuring they last throughout the event without popping easily. The size of the balloons is standard, making them easy to inflate and suitable for various decorations like balloon arches and bouquets. Number 1. Dandy Decor 60-pack Rose Gold and White Balloons. Elevate your next celebration with this stunning 60-pack of balloons. It's the perfect mix of rose gold, white, and confetti to add a touch of sparkle. Whether it's a bridal shower, baby shower, or New Year's Eve, these balloons are designed to impress. They bring an elegant and festive atmosphere to any event. This set includes everything you need for a beautiful display, even featuring ribbon for easy arrangement. It's a hassle-free way to achieve stunning party decorations. Crafted from high-quality latex, these balloons offer durability and a beautiful sheen. They are sure to be a hit at your party. The rose gold and confetti accents add a sophisticated and glamorous feel. Make your party unforgettable with these eye-catching decorations. Don't stress about party planning. This comprehensive balloon set is your secret weapon for creating a memorable and stylish event. What we like. This pack provides a good balance of classic colors and festive confetti for a lively party atmosphere. If you need a versatile set for various celebrations like bridal showers, baby showers, or New Year's Eve, and appreciate the convenience of included ribbon, this option offers a great combination of style and ease. What people say. The rose pink balloons are a beautiful shade of pink, perfect for a baby shower. These balloons are made of good quality latex and held air well for a party. The size of the balloons was as expected, and they were easy to inflate. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.